You know how he was doing stuff and telling us the price? Bro, I knew something was up.
Hello guys, it's Anita and welcome back to my Chanel, welcome back to my long eyelash, and welcome back to my undone eyebrows. Now, today we are gonna furnish this damn house. This might take obviously several weeks, but this is like the first day we're actually looking for furniture. And honey, because this is like an investment property, we're trying to do a business, we're trying to keep our expenses at a minimum, like as close to free as possible. So what we're going to do is look at anything from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, secondhand, liquidation centers, literally everything in the book. And today we're gonna go visit one of those liquidation centers. Now, what's cool about some of these liquidation centers is that, pro tip, you know how people do staging for real estate? Staging is basically when you go into a house, you're trying to buy a house, and you look at it and it's, you know, has all the furniture, it's really nicely decorated. No one lives there, they just put that furniture in there so that you as the buyer can envision yourself in that home, right? Way better than looking at an empty house. So those companies, instead of reselling that furniture to, like, you know, because they can't really sell it like a normal retail price because it's used technically, they have warehouses where people like myself can come and buy it secondhand. And it's not even really secondhand because it was just only used for staging, which is not like no one's really living there, right? So I'm excited for that prospect. I hope the prices are looking good and looking sweet and looking low. So we'll see. I'm about to go to the first one. And yeah, let's go on this journey, because in this economy, in this recession, nobody is paying $2,000-$3,000 for a couch. Nobody's paying blah 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 blah. And as I said, our lookbook for this place, I'm gonna put it up here. Our goals are really set high, so let's see how to finesse this house furnishing. At the end of this whole journey, you know, obviously we're gonna put the calculations of everything, give you all our best tips and tricks. So definitely do subscribe and put on post notifications, because guys, we're gonna be giving all the tea. Like, as I'm going through this, you'll go through it with me, and we'll drop all the gems that we learn. I said my business partner Christine, which is, she's not here right now, we're gonna see her later. And yeah, let's get going. So I'll just look around. Not terribly crazy about anything. Nothing here is quite like on the mark.
Much later.
Okay, so that place was pretty successful. My wig keeps landing off.
Oh Lord, again.
Yeah, that's me right now. Anyways, on to the next place. Let's go, because it's gonna close, so let's actually go.
Let's go.
Place number 2, how you feeling? Yeah, this one will actually be furniture. The other place was just like junk. Just like so much. Yeah. All right.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi.
We like this color. We don't mind the green, but this is ideal.
Okay.
Yeah, so if we can get something like this below 1,000, that'd be amazing.
Because the colors might have something different, you can try to see.
Okay, looks like our mattress is here. Oh, it's a mail. Read gas meter. The guy who delivered the mattress literally left us for dead. So we're just gonna have to bring. Come on, see muscle. Oh shit! Ooh. Okay, that works. That worked. Yeah. Yep. There we go. Okay.
That was easy.
Perfect.
Guys, let me just show you the bugs. There's literally, I don't know how. This house is literally so empty. There's not even a freaking fridge. There's roaches. You said you saw, where'd you see?
I walked through a spider web.
She walked through a spider web when she
Yeah.
came. There's like all these critters on the perimeter. I'm so shook right now. Like, how do we have bugs? This house is. What? Oh,
What is that? What the f is that?
absolutely, I rebuke it. We should do one of those exterminatings that like you can't like come into the house for days. Like those severe, the deepest one that's possible.
Yeah.
So that because we're not gonna be here anyways.
Yeah.
So let
This is
them.
the perfect time. There's no furniture, nothing that's gonna.
Yeah. So Christine, tell me what. So you know how we went to the furniture place right now, and like I literally went on the website and I was like, the website that he was showing us. So I think because we're a bit like I don't know what it qualifies to be a wholesaler, but girl, we wholesalers because on the website is literally they put their 2 warehouses, the address. Yes. And I tried to call them, but it was after 5. But they didn't have their warehouse because you know it's like warehouse 1.
Yeah.
Warehouse 1's available.
That's what the girl said.
Yes.
He was lying, saying he's from China.
No, literally, it says huge HO Houston. Like, okay, it's in Houston. So they're trying to wholesale us.
You
the
know how he
wholesale.
was doing stuff and telling us the price?
Bro,
I knew something was up.
the way he was like, this price.
said
I'm like,
okay.
I was like, okay, because even though you're like, oh, how do you know that? I was like, I scoffed. I don't know if you heard me scoff. Because I was like, this man.
Because I knew I was like,
sizing
where's
us
that from? Yeah.
and just coming out with the price.
Yeah.
And what the other lady said, $18.99.
They said that we have to ship it for us to see it.
When it's in,
We're gonna go out to see it.
That's very wicked.
And then we can't get a refund if we don't like it because they shipped it.
How wicked is that? It's there. It's literally in Houston. You could have been like, oh, just like da, 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 da.
Hey.
But now I think my mom like on the way here, and she was like, yeah, like you guys are a business, LLC. There's
Yeah,
no way
fine.
if they can get wholesale capabilities.
Yeah.
I don't even know what the like. I don't even know if there's a requirement first of all. But if there's
How
one,
much is an LLC?
we'll surpass it. Cause what?
It is what it is.
So now we just want to plug for life, and I'm very excited. So
Happy day.
okay, cool. Tomorrow we go get the couch because there's only one in stock. So I'm about to. So I'm trying to get that shit before it's taken. But yeah.
2 hours later.
We just met our neighbors, and aren't they some dolls?
Yeah.
Literally so sweet. It's like 5 women, like generational, like grandmother, great grandmother, like all of them came over and they're like, oh, can we see? Or give a little tour. Like they're so sweet. I love good neighbors.
Yeah.
You don't know.
We're not gonna have any problems with them. I already can tell.
Yes, she's gonna be just so supportive. Like, oh,
Yeah.
then she was like, I got a son, I was 26, and I got I was like, girl.
And they all came, like 7 of them.
Yeah, like literally one after the other just came in and was just like, it was really cool. So there, shout out to our neighbors. We don't know this other neighbor yet. It's like a white man,
So white old guys.
but we'll see him eventually. And hopefully he's cool because, yeah, like, I mean, he's like our more direct, like, I guess closer neighbor, barely, but like, yeah.
Face me neighbor from.
Exactly. So we need both of them to be cool so that when we do our business, no one's,
No one's calling the cops, complaining about anything,
Yeah.
so.
All right, we'll see, Sha. All right, so we're gonna head out now. Yes. I don't know what the next thing is, but we will get there.
1 week later.
Hello, vlog. We are another day. I feel like every time I get on this thing, my hair looks crazy. What? And I almost want to promise you guys this is not how I am all the time, but it actually is. It actually is. Anyways, we're here at another day. We're at another shop, and I'm in another sweater dress in the middle of summer. But we are going to check this place out. But now that we know this little finesse, I'm gonna be like, oh, can I see your catalog? And I'm gonna like peep the whole stuff under, because I tried researching stuff online, but I don't know. I feel like it's one of those if you know things, because I can't really find that much online. But yeah, so let's go in. I'm waiting for a few other people, but low-key I just want to go in because like I want to visit a lot of places today, so time is ticking. But yeah, let's see. So you have the white ones. Are any of them in stock?
Yeah, everything's in stock.
I like these. You have that in here?
I sold that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there it is.
Oh.
Many unbearable hours later.
Today, was it today exhausts me or today tired me? Today drains me. Put the meme up here. Today drained me. I'm honestly only going to this place because Praise lives right near it, so just thought I might pop it out. Let's see. This is what I like to hear. Okay, so they have a pretty big store. Honestly, I'm so tired to even really properly look, but I'm still gonna push myself. Some nice nightstands would look good for the bedroom. Alright, so that was all for the furniture hack video. If you like this, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like this, comment, subscribe. Okay? And until next time, my darlings, kisses.